What's the meaning of bassist? Bassist. Bassist.
Bassist. Bassist. A bassist is a musician who plays the bass guitar or double bass. The bass guitar is a stringed instrument that has 4 to 6 strings, while the double bass typically has 4 strings and is much larger than the bass guitar. The bassist's role in a band or ensemble is to provide the foundation for the music, laying down the groove and supporting the harmony. This is done by playing notes that typically fall on the lower end of the musical spectrum. Bassists can be found in all genres of music, from rock and pop to jazz and classical, and their contributions are essential to the overall sound and feel of the music.